The Power Strip Surge Protector with USB from ADTAM store offers a versatile charging solution for home, office, and dorm room use. Featuring 6 outlets and 4 USB ports, including 2 USB fast charge ports, this extension cord combines convenience with smart technology. Its slim design and wall mount capability make it a practical choice for organized spaces. This power strip supports up to 15 and 1875 1 outlets and delivers smart charging through USB ports with 5F3 on USB and 5F2. 4 on USB. The ultra-thin flat plug with a 45-degree angle allows it to sit flush against walls, while the 5-foot heavy-duty cord offers flexible placement. It includes surge protection rated at 900 joules, overload and short-circuit safeguards, and an on-off switch that automatically cuts power if limits are exceeded. The device is ETLAND All certified for safety and reliability, ideal for users needing multiple charging options in a compact form. This extension cord enhances workspace efficiency while protecting devices. Its easy mounting and space-saving design suit anyone looking to reduce clutter. This power strip is a smart, dependable addition to any tech setup.